Hello, friends. Welcome back for the 13 days of Craftoween Advent Calendar, Halloween Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. We are now in day 3. We have already looked at day 1. Oops, I have the hat here. Sorry. Check out my video for day 2 to know what I'm talking about. And we have day 2. So right now we're going to open the box and look at the day 3. Let me set the first 2 days aside and get the day 3 out. Ooh, I love the design on day 4. So pretty. Okay, let me put this out of the way. And we can open our day 3 and peek inside. Are you guys ready? Let's look. Ta-da! Oh, wow. This is so cool. I love this giant, well, not giant, but large poison bottle. Wow. By the way, I don't think I ever mentioned the size of the packet, and I feel like it's kind of important to mention it. So the packet is about 3.5 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 6 inches. The image here is printed in real size, so that kind of gives you an idea of the size of the finished die cut that you can use in your card. For comparison, here is an A2 card, and you can see that all of these images are sized to work on A2 cards nicely, but they can also work on other card sizes. I'm thinking this would work really well on a slimline card because even the size of this packet, it is almost a slimline. I feel like it needs to be just a little bit taller to be a true slimline. Okay, I'm going to pause my video, do the die cutting, and come back for the finished card. So here's a look at the card featuring day 3 of the 13 days of Craftoween from Spellbinders. I used the Spellbinders Carrot cardstock and added some orange ink blending down this side. I then used white cardstock to die cut the label and brushed black to die cut the poison and the skull with the bones. The brown cardstock, let me check. I don't remember the name. So this is truffle, and I paired that with fawn to create the cork for the bottle. I stamped the sentiment using Versified Onyx Black ink and my Mini Misty stamping tool. For the crow, this is from day 2. I used the same brushed black along with anchor. That's that brown cardstock, a little bit of the mere gold for the monocle, and the same carrot for the bow and the detail on the hat. The feet were cut using saffron cardstock. That's that favorite yellow. And then for the background here, I used chiffon. I brought in some gems from my stash, the same as I did for day 1 and day 2, and these are the onyx gems from Spellbinders. So that's a look at day 3. Just a reminder, here is a look at day 2. We have that same crow with the skull, and day 1 with the adorable Dracula. That's a look at day 3 of the 13 days of Craftoween. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope to be back tomorrow with day 4.